was me. Yes, I did it like this.
But if you do, he got a whole sausage in his pocket.
Jimmy, you want some crawfish, Jimmy? Jimmy! Jimmy! Hey, you want some crawfish?
Bud Light presents Real Men of Genius.
Real men.
No smoking. No smoking. No smoking. No smoking. What?
What's that behind your ear, mate? Look at that.
I don't know, what is that?
Boom!
Oh, hey! Now you really want to impress me, do it with a chicken nugget, then I...
Back into your Pokeball, Pikachu!
I wonder what it's like inside those Pokeballs.
I wonder when you'll shut up and make my dinner.
Yo, this guy right here is mad sketchy.
You ain't gotta worry, girl. I won't kidnap you. You mad ugly.
Look, I'm eating my food, and this rainbow-looking chicken thinks he can have some. You better get out of here with your prideful ass.
Open the cupboard and take it out. Just have a little look at it. Well,
Ah, beautiful English summer. Oh, fuck.
Break my heart, oh no, she did it. For the living, I'ma drown in my sorrow.
Hey, yo, my life's like a movie. My eyes are like a Uzi, jacuzzi. Get the fuck out of the way!
I am never going back in the water.
Me either. No way.
That's it.
Ah,
That's the biggest thing I've ever seen.
stuff summer.
No.
Broke pulled a little too hard.
I did.
He's still alive.
Blows up pancakes with mine.
My fucking pain.
Em lá da América, Estados Unidos,
Será que é muito potente aqui? Vamos ligar ela agora pra ver se é potente mesmo.
Me is 8.5 tons of heroin, opium, hashish and other narcotics. Burning behind me.
You know, maybe I even stand up and hit a little boogie with it. Oh, what's that, the SpongeBob? Huh? Oh.
Why the fuck do you have an avocado in the middle of your fucking cup holder?
Bro, it's not an avocado. It's Bob Ross.
I don't know if this idiot knows this, but that is not how you serve burgers.
Well, it's interesting, like, Andy Samberg's the one that auditioned. But then he was actually able to finagle it, that, like, he was living in Los Angeles with the other two. And what?
Tell my mind, Sean. What a twist of events. Yes, it worked. Well, kind of. Come back. Oh God! Wait, stop coming out. Come on, come on, come on.
Come back this way, this way, this way! This way, the sparrow! The sparrow!
Yeah!
Can't handle the uber instincts of my uber autism. Observe.
In English you say, I'm proud of you, son. But in Punjabi you say, I'm honored to have raised a son like you.
You look like shit!
You saved me. Why?
Monkey.
Ha!
Will, for an instant, bring me back to you. You will find moonlit.
My forehead isn't that big!
This is the fattest cat I ever seen in my whole fucking life. Garfield, this is a big ass cat. I thought this was a fucking bobcat when I walked to their door. And the motherfucking king meow.
Okay, seriously, if you just tell me whose this is, I'm not going to be upset.
Yours, I'm telling you, there's
It's not.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Ghost, you are cleansed. Die in peace, my friend.
Darling, you know the birdhouse we bought?
Yes.
Well, there's a bird nesting in it.
How exciting. Is it a blue tit?
No.
Is it a robin?
No.
Is it a sparrow?
No. Look.
It don't matter. You don't shut up!
Damn. He really about to rock my shit.
give me?
Beans and spam to make the classic dish spam and beans.
Anytime you leave the highway, you want to check in between your duals for rocks. What can happen is a rock can become lodged between your tires, and as you pick up speed going on the highway, that rock can come out of there like a projectile, and it can cause serious injury or death.
Heard you lost your job.
Well, actually, I just quit that job because, you know, the hours are just not conducive to the challenges of raising a child.
Hard work, not another day's of work. Hard work, that's what they say. Hard work, I earn my pay. Hard work, I get off the rock, I move on now.
You good now,
Yo, what the fuck, man?
You're not gonna get her?
Do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do.
Ako mau balasin dan makan telurnya.
Oh, hi. Omae wa kono Nijimuraを食やすのザ・ハンドが消す。
And you also just recently bought your mom a house?
Yeah.
That like makes me want to cry.
There's no way. $1 billion later.
Should we clap for that? I think the whole room right now is thinking the same thing. It's about
Con todo gusto le atendemos. Compramos carros y camionetas viejas para desarmar.
In 2006, when my brother was 4, he drew a picture of a very famous dinosaur, and he captioned the picture, but he had a bit of a kerning issue, which meant that the letters got a little too close in some places and too far away in other places, and it spelled something that I've recreated it here. I love it. I think the title, Yo Shit, He Dinosaur, is very cool. I'm more curious how long I could sell t-shirts with this on it before I get a cease and desist from the man in overall.
I'll open up the safe, hold on.
There's plenty more where that came from, kid.
The hell?
Ah, you're persistent.
Bro, how many fucking bananas do you have?
Respect that.
What the
Hi, excuse me, do you sell gift cards?
No.
Me what you two were up to all night and spoil the surprise. Speaking of surprises, your costume's in the tent.
Costume?
OMG, you look perfect. Only thing.
I can get behind this. I can get in front of it too.
What are we talking about?
Not to fear, little children. I will help.
I can't stop myself.
Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me! Just give it! Damn!
Alright, this is another life hack. This guy in front of me, he just cut me off. Now, instead of me getting mad and flipping him off, that does nothing, you know? I'm gonna handle this situation like an adult.
911, what's your emergency?
Hi, I'd like to report a drunk driver.
What is that? What is that?
It's a daddy long leg.
Hey, Daddy.
Ew.
Someone is always watching. So don't forget to smile. That's all for today. See you next time